Hi, in this video I am going to solve question number 4 of exercise 7.2 from coordinate geometry. So what is question number 4? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points, they are given some points, this is -3, 10 and this is 6, -8 is divided by, means this point is -1 and 6. And they are asking about ratio. So in which ratio this points divides this line. So let's say this is A, this is B and this is C. So we have to find AB into BC equals to what? Okay. And this is the point which divides this AC line. So hope you remember the section formula. So whenever this type of scenario will come, we always take k:1 ratio. Okay, then only we are able to find what is the ratio of AB into BC. So in that case, whenever they are asking about what will be the ratio when one point divides a line and all 3 points given, so in that case we are always taking k:1. Okay. So now what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is -1. So -1 equals to what? m1 into x2, the section formula. Okay. So k into 6 plus 1 into -3 means m2 into x1. So 1 into -3 by k plus 1. So this is the x coordinate and we are finding the section formula. Okay, so first let's calculate this. So k plus 1 into -1. So minus k minus 1 equals to, this is 6k and this is 1 into -3 means -3. Okay, now this k will go this side and will become plus 6k plus k equals to, this side is -1 and this -3 will go that side, so we will become +3. Okay, so plus 7k equals to, this is 2. That means k equals to 2 by 7. Okay, and what we recognize ki AB into BC equals to k into 1. So k into 1 means what? 2 by 7 by 1. Correct? That means ki the ratio is, this is what is 2 by 7. So the ratio will be 2 into 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Here you notice I only used -1, only x coordinate. I didn't use 6 even. 6 is what? Y coordinate. So if only one coordinate is also given, so we are able to find the ratio. No need for second coordinate. Okay. So in the next question, question number 5, the same example is given. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 4. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, -5, this is A, and B is -4, 5. Okay, is divided by the x-axis. Here somewhere this is x-axis. The picture is wrong, but somewhere is x-axis, and we know the on the x-axis, let's say this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and somewhere is line AB. Okay, let's say this is AB. Okay, so here in this point we know y equals to 0 because on the x-axis y coordinates is 0. Okay, also find the coordinates of the point of division. We have to find the coordinates also and the ratio also. And this only two things given, the point of A and B, and also the y coordinate is 0. Okay, since here also only one coordinate is enough, here also only one coordinate is enough to find the ratio. Okay, so let's say this is k:1. Okay, because always we are taking k:1, that is enough. Okay, now what will be the y coordinate? Y coordinate, let's say this is x comma y. Okay, so y coordinate equals to m1 into y2, so k into 5 plus m2 into y1, 1 into minus 5 by k plus 1. Correct? And we know on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So y value will be 0 equals to k into 5 plus minus 1 into 5 is 5 by k plus 1. Okay, so this k plus 1 will go this side and will become 0, because 0 into k plus 1 will be 0. So 5k minus 5 is equals to, this will become 0, means 5k equals to 5. That means k equals to 1. Okay, now we are able to find k equals to 1. So what will be the ratio? What was the ratio? We assume AB, not AB, this is C. So AC into CB, we calculated as, we assumed as k into 1. Now k is 1. So the ratio will be 1 into 1. Okay. Now also they are asking about find the coordinates of the point of division. Means we have to find x comma y also. Y we already know, this is 0. Now we have to find x value. So according to section formula, we will use section formula and find the x coordinate. Okay. So x equals to m1 into x2. So what is k value? We will use this ratio. So 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1. Correct? This is section formula of x coordinate. Equals to minus 4 plus 1 by 2. Correct? That means minus 3 by 2. Okay, so what will be the ratio coordinates? X comma y equals to, what is x? Minus 3 comma by 2, and what is y? Y is 0. So this is the coordinates of this point, and the ratio is 1:1. Okay. Now question number 6. What is question number 6? If these are the vertices of a parallelogram, means there is one parallelogram and they gave the vertices. This is 1, 2, second is 4, y, third is x, y, fourth is 3, 5. Of a parallelogram taken in order. So first this, then this, then this, then this. Okay. And they are asking, what they are asking? Find x, y, x and y. So x is here, y is here. So we have to find x value and y value. Okay. So since this is a parallelogram, so hope you remember the properties of a parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other. Means this equals to this and this equals to this. Correct? So let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is O. So we can say AO equals to OC and DO equals to OB. Correct? So in both the situation, this x, y, if we are using section formula for this line DO, and we will find the coordinate of xy. Okay, and by the same way we find the coordinate of O by using section formula in this line AC. Okay, and then we will equate, because they are always talking about this point. Okay, so let me draw line so that it will be easy. So this is A, this is C, A 1, 2, C is x, 6, and this is O, and this is midpoint. Okay, so for midpoint we are always taking 1:1. Correct? I already explained. So, and this is x, y. Okay, so what will be the x value? x equals to m1 into x2 1 into x plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1. Correct? Means x plus 1 by 2. So this is x coordinate. So this I will use x1 and y1 because x and y is already given here. Okay, so this is x1. Now we will use section formula for y1. So y1 equals to m1 into y2. So 1 into 6 plus 1 into 2 by 1 plus 1 means 6 plus 2 by 2 means 8 by 2, which is equals to 4. Okay, now we are able to find x1 and y1 by using AC. Now we will take BD line. Okay, so this is D 3 comma 5, this is B 4 comma Y, and this is O, and O is the midpoint, and this is same coordinate x1 comma y1, and ratio is 1:1 because this O bisect DB. Okay, now let's find x1 coordinate. So x1 equals to 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3 by 1 plus 1 equals to 4 plus 3 by 2 means 7 by 2. Now y1 equals to 1 into y plus 1 into 5 by 1 plus 1 means y plus 5 by 2. Okay, now this they are always talking about same point, means this x1 will be equals to this x1 and this y1 will be equals to this y1. Correct? So first equate x1, this x1 and this x1. So x plus 1 by 2 will be equals to this 7 by 2. Right? So this 2 cancel. So x plus 1 equals to 7 means x equals to what? 7 minus 1? 6. Right? Now we will equate y1 also. So this y1 is 4 and this y1 is y plus 5 by 2. Okay, so y plus 5 equals to 4 2s are 8. That means y equals to 8 minus 5 means 3. Correct? So what is the x value? So x value is 3, and what is the y value? Y value is, sorry, x value is 6 and y value is 3. So that means ki the coordinate of B will be 4 comma 3 and coordinate of C will be 6 comma 6. Okay. So if you have any doubt in this question, please write your comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.